So first of all, I'm going to remove the extension table if you've got one on there. I'll also make sure that the needle is up out of the way, just so it's out of the way of all the working, and just lift your foot up there. So now you can see your bobbin case that you obviously normally change when rewinding a bobbin. That will just pop out of the way. And then I need to undo these two clips, which you don't have to take a screwdriver to anything. They literally just unclip either way like that. And then you can remove, sorry, get my hand in the way. You can pull the two pieces out separately. You've got the shuttle and the retainer ring. So now you can see inside you've got a half circular piece which stays in, and you can get your cloth, just give it a good wipe round. You can remove any debris or any broken needles, anything you think that shouldn't be in there. As I say, nice soft cloth, and you don't need to undo anything with a screwdriver at all. To put it back in, as I say, make sure your needle's up out the way. If you've still got a needle in, you need to make up the circle. So you've got the piece that stays in, and then you've got your shuttle, which makes up the circle, and then your retainer ring. There's two ways it will go. It goes with these two little lugs on the outside, and that pin down to the bottom, which locates into a little cutout piece. And as I say, this is the same whether you're on a Janome, some Boninas are like this, lots and lots of different makes and models. If it's a front loading bobbin, will look exactly the same. You just need to put those back. A common mistake can be just putting them back like that. You need to get the little click. You need to make sure it's all the way in. And then you can put your bobbin back in, and then you're ready to go again. All nice and clean, ready to go. So as you're putting this shuttle race back in, you can grab a little bit of light oil and just a couple of teardrops, literally just on the outside. You really don't want to over oil it because there's a danger it will come back up onto the fabric that you're sewing. That sits back in to make up the circle, and then your retainer ring goes back on there. Nice solid clicks. Give it a little wiggle, give it a little twist, and then you know it's all back in okay.